To hook up your RV to an outside water source with proper regulation, remove the cap from the freshwater inlet on the side of your RV. Now attach one end of the freshwater hose to the outside source of water and connect the other end of the hose to the RV city water inlet. Some RVs have a water control panel in which the same inlet is used to both connect an outside water source and to fill the water tank. In this case, the panel will contain valves that allow you to control which operation you're performing. In this case, turn the control valves to the city water position. Now, turn on the outside source of water. Gradually open all the hot and cold water faucets at the sinks and tub to clear air from the lines. Go ahead and close the faucets when the water is flowing freely. Here's a quick note though. Do not turn on the water pump when using water from an external source. Only use the water pump when obtaining water stored in your onboard fresh water tank. To disconnect from the outside water source, turn off the outside source of water and disconnect the hose from the supply valve and the inlet on the side of the RV. Remove the hose and store it away. Now, just reinstall the cap on the inlet.